It's morning before season. I'm out here scouting, trying to get on some birds. Hopefully I'll hear some birds today. Haven't seen many this year. I'm shocked, but I haven't heard a single gobble. I came out probably a month ago and I heard a million gobbles. I haven't heard a single one, so I'm a little worried and shocked at the same time. If we get out here and there's no birds, I have a few waypoints marked on private. I can always fall back to and ask permission, but it's not looking great right now. Alright guys, not happy with this morning's results, so I'm gonna head out and drive around here, see if I can spot any birds. Man, I don't think I've ever been on a field where I haven't heard any gobble in the spring. At least at some point. It's a giant field, at least. They're usually on the other side. But not a single thing today, so we're gonna head out. It's a little early, it's 6 o'clock. Might not be in the middle of the fields now, but we're gonna try it. There is a jay and a hen right in this guy's backyard. Like on his bird feeder. That's pretty great. Bird right here. Jake. Alright. He's gobbling and everything there. He's alone though. Definitely a hen. I'm surprised there's two hens here alone. And that Jake's over here gobbling. They kind of look like they're coming this way though. It's actually a good morning for birds. I'm surprised we didn't hear any on the home farm field. This is a really big property, actually. It's got like 3 or 4 fields in it. This big. Right. Oh, yes. Same field that I got him before. There is a gobbler strutting right here. Alright, I'm gonna pull forward and go down this road right next to him. Right back there. Nothing in this one. Oh, he's got a big deer blind up in there. That is a really good sign. I just looked at my maps. The last time I saw birds there was April 10th, and today's the 30th, so them being in the exact same field that many days apart is good. They'll be there tomorrow for sure. Oh, we got a bunch of them. They all look like Jakes to me. just saying how I saw birds up here last year. Maybe history will repeat itself, and we got quite a few birds up here. All right. Alright guys, there's a hen right here. I just got some footage of her by herself, which I'm seeing a lot of hens by themselves now. I think they're starting to branch off to nest.